Hey everyone, welcome back to lizfenwickdiy. In today's video, we're doing another Dollar Tree DIY. The first project we're going to make is this really adorable joy sign. And so I picked up 3 of these ornament signs at my Dollar Tree. I know sometimes it can be really hard to find certain things at Dollar Tree, so I'm going to show you how I pick them up online. So when I'm shopping online, I like to start by going to topcashback.com. The cool thing about Top Cashback is you get money back whenever you make purchases online, so it's a no-brainer. You're not spending any money, you're just receiving money back. So you want to go to Top Cashback, sign in. So you're just going to put in the search box Dollar Tree, and you'll see on their website anything that you purchase from Dollar Tree, you get 4% cash back. So you're just going to click on that, and then Top Cashback will direct you to the Dollar Tree website, and they do all the work. So anything that you purchase, they're going to give you a percentage back. So it's so easy. Now, one thing you guys might not know about on the Dollar Tree website is there is this little section called Pick and Pack. So go to the search box and just type in the words Pick and Pack. These are items that you can purchase at Dollar Tree where you don't have to buy a whole case. So you can see these awesome ornament signs that I'm using. You can buy these in as little as 4 units, which means you can purchase just 4 of these for your project. So you don't have to buy a whole case. So if you're like some people who can't find stuff at stores, this is a great option for you. They also have hard to find stuff like these really cute buffalo check stockings. I know everybody's looking for these. So you can just go and buy 4 of them, 8, there's a lot of different quantities. And some of the things you get delivered to your house, and other items you can get shipped to your store. You can also use Top Cashback at so many different retailers. You can use them at Walmart, Target, Amazon, so many different ones. So it's going to be great for the holidays. I always rack up a lot of points because I buy a lot of stuff online. I want to thank Top Cashback for partnering with me on today's video. They're giving you $10 in Top Cashback sign-up bonus when you spend $25 at one of their retailers. So to cover my ornaments, I grabbed some plaid gift wrap at Dollar Tree, and I thought it was really cute. So what I'm going to do is just put the paper out, and then I'm going to trace around the ornaments with a pen. And then I will cut out the paper so it fits perfectly on my ornaments. Next, you want to take a scissors or something that you can use to pry, and I'm just going to simply pry up that metal piece. Now I'm going to be using it again, so you want to be a little gentle with it because they do kind of misshape if you pull them up too hard. So just go slowly and pull off that silver piece. Next, I'm going to hot glue my plaid paper. So you want to hot glue around the edges. Make sure you don't put it in the middle or you'll have some kind of weird raised areas. After you put the paper back on, then you want to hot glue back on your little silver part at the top. Next, I'm going to use some stencils to spell out the word joy. So I grabbed these folk art stencils. They're 8-inch, and I grabbed them at Joann's. Just use a coupon whenever you use them. So to do these stencils, I'm going to make sure that I get it placed in the middle. So I didn't use any tape because I was worried that the tape might pull the gift wrap up. And you know how Dollar Tree gift wrap is kind of fragile, so I didn't put any tape. I just held it down, and then I used my stencil brush and some Waverly white chalk paint to fill in the letters. And you want to tap it or pull it in from the side. That'll get the paint on there the best. And I didn't do 2 coats, but when I was done going over it once, I just lightly went over it again to kind of make it a little bit thicker. So I guess I have it's 2 coats, but right after each other. Okay, so somehow, I'm not really sure how I did this, but I got paint on the side of my ornament. So to fix that, what I decided to do was just get a piece of that paper, and I cut it out so that I could put it perfectly on there. And then I just put little hot glue dots in each of the corners, set it down, and once it's hanging up, you're not even gonna notice that I'd had that mistake. I also don't like the little stencil lines, so I usually go back in and fill those in. I know that's personal preference, but for me, I just like them filled in. I thought these needed a little bit of greenery on the top, so I'm gonna be using some greenery from Hobby Lobby. I have this pick from Dollar Tree that I'm gonna pull off the little silver pieces, and it also had some pine cones that I'm gonna use. So I'm just going to put those on the top with some hot glue. And here's a look at how my signs turned out. I know I'm gonna get some questions on this top, super cute. I'll link it down in the description box. Okay, you guys, I have never seen this next thing at Dollar Tree. You're gonna have to let me know if you've seen it. So I went in there the other day and found these little trifle containers. Have you guys seen these? Leave me a comment. I need to know because I felt like these were brand new. So I saw these, I was like, oh, I'm just thinking of a candle display. So I picked 3 of these up, and the first thing I decided to do was paint the bases of them. So I went in and painted the bases with 2 coats of Waverly white chalk paint. You can tape off the top, but I knew I was gonna be filling them, so I figured if I got any on the bottom, it wouldn't be any big deal, and I just tried to be careful while I was painting them. Once these were dry, I put a white Dollar Tree candle in the middle of all of the different containers. Then I came back in with, I would say I probably used 1 container of these ornaments on each one, maybe a little bit more. And I used some of the small silver ornaments they have at Dollar Tree and put those around the base of the candle. And then I also came back in with these mini little pine cones. These are my new favorite thing from Dollar Tree, these mini pine cones. I feel like I've just been sprinkling them everywhere. So I'm going to put those into my container just to kind of fill it up and make it look cute. And I think this would make a perfect display sitting out on your table or a little side table for Christmas. So I get questions sometimes. People say, Liz, what do you do with those felt ornaments that they have at Dollar Tree? So I thought, I'm gonna pick one up and give you guys an option for the felt ornaments. So I grabbed the one that was in the shape of an actual ornament. So with the top piece, I just used some silver lining paint, and I'm just going to paint it with the silver lining 2 coats. Next, I'm going to use some red wrapping paper from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to trace around the ornament on the back and then cut that out. Next, I'm going to use this cute stencil that I got from my friends at Stencil Revolution. It says, I'm only a morning person on Christmas, and I thought that was so cute. So I'm gonna put that on my sign. I'm gonna come in with some Waverly white chalk paint and stencil this sign. Next, I wanted to glitter up the top of this, so I'm gonna add a little bit of Mod Podge. You could use glue or anything to the top where I painted that silver lining, and then I'm just going to cover it with some really cute silver glitter. Now to attach the wrapping paper to my sign, I'm just going to put some dots of hot glue around the edge, and then I'm gonna press that paper into the felt sign. And then I just took a little greenery from a pick that I had on hand and hot glued it to the top. And here's a look at how my felt sign turned out. signed up for Top Cash Back yet, make sure that you go follow all the details in the description box to sign up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I post 3 DIYs each week and you don't want to miss out on any of them. And I'll link our last video here, and I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.